Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Thursday, May 27. The time is around 2:30 a.m. GMT, and we are looking now at the chart of the DAX from Germany. 45 minutes chart here. We could see that we ended with 4 as a double 3 WXY ended with 4 here. Since then the index has been able to break the previous peak, so breaking to new high and therefore confirming that the correction is really complete. So far we only see a 3 swings up from here, suggesting we should see further upside as long as the pullback stays above that previous low on May 13 here, 14816. We should be able to see further upside. Now of course the pullback could be just an ABC, or it could be an ABC here as well and finish the 2 and then starts to go to new high immediately here. Okay, so it's either we are trying to do a little bit more pullback, an ABC here before we turn higher, or we might already finish and then starts to go up immediately, right? So remains bullish against 14816 here. In terms of the alternate, we got a couple of alternates, but this one is what the primary view is. One possible alternate is that this is a 1-2, and then instead of 1-2 1-2, and this could be ending with 3 right here, right? This could be ending with 3, and then we are pulling back in the wave 4 with one more push higher. Now we could have an overlap because it's within wave 5, so it could be a diagonal, but the idea is that it's only a 3 swing so far. So regardless whether this is 1-2 1-2 or 1-2 3-4, that suggests that we can at least see one more push on the upside in the short term. Okay, now looking at the larger degree to get a little bit more ideas, this is the daily chart. Now I don't show any labels here, but just to give you observation. Now you can see since we bottom on March 2020, we continue to make a new high. We continue to make a higher high and lower high, right? And this one is where we are. And the latest one here, we broke above all the previous peaks. So this one is really the high from March 2020 here. Now you can see right here that clearly, look at this pullback here. This one is a corrective overlapping 3 swing structure here, so that suggests it is a correction, and since then we have already broken to new high, so it's been proven this is only correction. Now since we broke to new high like we saw earlier in the group in the 1 hour chart, this move to the upside here so far is only 3 swing. Now you don't finish the move in 3 swing, technically speaking, when this rally here looks kind of impulsive, right? Looks kind of impulsive, and plus on top of that we actually break to new high, so there's no way this is a corrective structure. It has to be an impulse, and you don't really end in 3 swing, and that's why most likely we will continue to go up and shorter cycle bullish against 14816. And then also the only alternate I can think of in which we don't extend higher is if it does a expanded flat from here. So we got this A, and then this is a B in 3 swing, marginal high, and then sell off in a C like this as a 5 waves. No reason whatsoever for me to try to pick major top or anything like that and then calling it expanded flat. It's almost like forcing my bias. For example, if I'm very biased towards the downside in the indices, every new high I'm gonna say is a flat, and then forcing it to go down. Always when talking about probability, that will be the lesser probability. So go with what the price action tells you, right? Price action is going to new high, so then you go with where the higher probability leads you. At this point is to the upside, as long as the pullback stays above 14816 here. Okay, so that will be in the update, and if you want to get further updates on the DAX or other indices, Forex, commodities, Feel free to check out our service. We have 14 days free trial. We also right now have a 2 for 1 promotion for the Memorial Day, so you can get 2 month subscription for the price of one. So that will be a good time to join. All right, so I'll see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day, everyone.